Hello CraftDee Family, and welcome to another tutorial by She's So Crafty. For today's DIY project, we will be taking a thrift store find and upcycling it into this fabulous lighthouse home decor. I love the way that this turned out, and the best thing is that each item was less than $1. Please see the description box below to see all of the items and tools used in this project. I am super excited to share this project with you, but before we start, I wanted to say welcome back to my current and my new subscribers to my channel. If you're a new visitor to my channel today and you love to create fun and easy DIY projects on a budget, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also click that notification bell so you will be the first to know when a new DIY tutorial is ready to share with you. So now, let's jump right into that tutorial. The thrift store items I will be using include this metal and glass house that was 50 cents. And this metal vase that was also 50 cents. I will also be using some of these clear plastic plates from the Dollar Tree. To start on this project, I cleaned all the items thoroughly and then I grabbed the vase and the clear plates. Now I will be using 3 of these clear plates, and what I will do is hot glue and stack them together. Now I will be applying the plates to the bottom of the vase. I will be using a combination of E6000 and hot glue to adhere them together. Now we want to center those plates face down on top and press firmly into place. Now I'm going ahead and protecting my work surface while we paint. Now I will be using this white chalk paint as a base coat for this lighthouse. Now we want to cover this entire assembly with the chalk paint. And here it is, fully dried. So now I'm grabbing my ruler and a strip of paper to mark out the measurements. Now I will be placing my marks at 2 3/4 inches apart all the way around the vase in 2 sections. Now I'm taking some of my painter's tape and I'm wrapping it around, aligning it with those marks that we made. So next I'm going to go ahead and place some of those strips of tape on my cutting mat, and I want to cut them into squares for the windows that will go on the front and the back of my lighthouse. And the tape is all in place. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and paint my lighthouse with this red acrylic paint. And here it is, all painted. And now that the red paint is dry, I'll go ahead and paint the plates. I'm going to use the color black on the underside and on the top side. So now it's fully dry and we can start to remove all of our painter's tape. So now what I'm going to do is accent those windows with black paint using a very fine brush. And here it is, all painted. Now notice on the top, the plates have a tiny ridge, and this will keep that glass house in place. Now we just place that glass house on top, and that will complete our look. Okay, we put it all together, and look at how it turned out. Now, I just love the thrift store, and there are so many hidden treasures there. There's always something you can find to upcycle. This cute glass house was only 50 cents, so I knew I just had to have it. And I'm so glad I was able to incorporate it into this awesome upcycle. Now I chose to go with this bright and fun red color for my lighthouse, and it turned out much better than I thought it would. Now I've seen these in white and turquoise and even seafoam, and they were just as awesome. And check this out. I added a Dollar Tree tap light to the top of the glass house, and now our lighthouse glows and it's ready to guide us home. Thank you so much for visiting and checking out my tutorial. If you like videos like these and don't want to miss the next one, go ahead and click that subscribe button below and hit that notification bell. If you love to upcycle too, give a thumbs up, leave me a comment below, and share this video with your friends. This lets me know that you're enjoying my content and I can keep bringing you more projects. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all next time.